How you going, guys? Sammy here. Now it's the middle of summer and that means only one thing: the prawns are running. Now I've got Jono here this morning. And mate, you've got a haul of prawns. I couldn't join you, but I'll tell you what, I'm here for the cooking, that's for sure.
Mate, we did alright.
How many did you end up with?
We ended up about 7 kilos.
Delicious, delicious.
Yeah.
Now, we've cranked up the old companion power cooker set. We've got 10 litres of water here, it's boiling away. Now that's salty water, isn't it?
That is salty water.
And how much salt do we add?
About 35 grams per litre.
Rightio, so that's nice and salty. Mate, that's boiling away a treat, and look at that. What do you reckon? Let's add them in.
I reckon we put them in.
So we're going to do, how many we got in there?
About 4 kilo.
Rightio. Now be careful because this water is boiling hot. And the beauty of the companion cooker set is that basket has got all holes in it, so it's super easy to do. Don't need to go fishing prawns out all the time. It's a super simple way of doing it. Now once they're in there, should we crank that gas up to get it back to the boil?
Yeah, we should crank that back to the boil.
Beautiful.
Really quickly.
Yes, the adjustable gas. Righto, so they're in there, mate. Once that comes back to the boil, how long are they going to take to cook?
Maybe, I don't know, about 3-5 minutes maybe.
Right.
Sort of need to watch them, and when they start to float, it means the meat's come away from the shell, and then they're good to go.
Righto, and that's what this little utensil here is for?
That's the check, yeah.
Yeah,
so
rightio.
have a look.
Alright, let's give them some time to cook and see how they go. Rightio, so we have to talk loud over the gas. That's pumping some serious heat into it, but they're just about done. We've got a majority of them floating. How long's it been?
Oh, it hasn't been that long, maybe 3 minutes.
About 3 minutes. This camp set, this companion power cooker set, really packs some heat, so it doesn't take that long once they get going. They look absolutely unreal.
I reckon we're just about ready to go.
Ready to rock and roll? Well, I'm going to stay out of your way. So we've got an esky full of ice there. I'm going to crank this gas down so you can hear me. We've got an esky full of ice, and there's salt in that, yeah?
There is salt in that.
And
It's sort of put it into taste. I'd put a fair bit in though.
Rightio.
Because the ice will melt, and so you lose some of the saltiness, I suppose.
Righto, so it'd make it as cold as possible pretty well.
Yes, you want to chill these down pretty much straight away so they stop cooking.
So this pot comes with the companion hanger there to grab it out. We've also got a little tent peg so we can tip the pot without burning ourselves. So straight into the esky. Woo. And then just make sure they mix them round so you get good ice coverage. Really cool those prawns down as quick as you can. Turn this guy off. I tell you what, mate, they are looking pretty damn good. Now, how long do we leave them in the ice for?
They don't take long to cool down.
Yeah?
You like a prawn?
I'd love one. I'd love one. This is the best part of prawning, I reckon. The taste test. Still warm. Well, making a mess here. Beautiful. Fresh prawns caught probably, what, 4 hours ago?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh.
Yeah,
Alright. These ones are mine, mate. Catch you later.
See ya.